Good noon, my dear brothers and sisters. Our gospel reading today is a continuation of the gospel reading yesterday. Yesterday's gospel reading talks about that Jesus was appointing the 12 apostles and they were sent to mission. In our gospel reading today, Jesus continues to give his instructions to his apostles what they shall do during their mission when they proclaim the word of God. And the instruction involves saying, whoever will not receive you or listen to your words, go out that house or town and shake the dust from your feet. It is said that when the apostles would preach the word of God, they will not impose, they will not encourage people to accept the word of God without their own free will. Sa Binisaya pa, dili ipa mugos. Dili mamugos ang Ginoo kung kita musunod or dili niya. That is the greatest expression of God's love to all of us, that He respects our freedom. Even if we connect with the book of Genesis, God respects the freedom of Adam and Eve. And so much so, today, He continues to respect our freedom. But freedom should be used to do what is good. We all have freedom, and freedom is connected to the decision making that we do every day. But always remember that our freedom is the capacity to choose what is good. Freedom is the capacity to choose what will bring us closer to God. And that would be the main criteria. When you are confronted with decision making, when you are confronted at the crossroads of our lives, when we are confused what to do, choose the path that will bring us closer to God. A path that will bring us to heaven. Sa Binisaya pa, maglibo ganita, kung unsay atong pilion, ang pangutana o ang dictate sa atong konsensya, unsa may desisyon nga makapalangit nato.